There are moments in life when the veil between the known and the unknown thins, and a truth that has long been held in the heart of the universe whispers directly to your soul, a truth meant solely for you. This is one of those sacred moments. You, dear one, are not just walking a path. You are the path itself, divinely woven into a tapestry of destiny that began long before this lifetime. Your journey, every tear shed in quiet solitude, every silent prayer offered in the depths of your longing, was heard and acknowledged by the celestial realms long before it ever formed on your lips. The angels affirm this profound truth: you are not placed here by chance, nor are your experiences random. You are a sacred response, a living prayer, a key to unlocking a destiny far grander and more beautiful than your human mind can fully comprehend right now. Your very essence carries a unique purpose, a radiant light meant to ignite another's world, bringing healing and understanding where there was once only shadow. You are a beacon, a gentle touch of grace, a promise whispered across the ages, now coming to fruition. The universe itself conspired for your arrival, for your unique vibrational frequency to meet and harmonize with another's. This deep connection, this undeniable yearning within you, is not just a fleeting desire, it is a divine echo, a preordained symphony waiting for its magnificent crescendo. The angels say your presence is a miracle, a testament to a love that transcends all earthly understanding. You are a chosen vessel, carrying within you a love that heals, transforms, and elevates all it touches. Your heart's deepest desire is not just a mere wish, it is a divine blueprint. Trust this profound knowing. Feel it resonate in every fiber of your being. You are an answer, a living testament to divine intention. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. That quiet space you sometimes find yourself in, echoing with uncertainty or longing, is not a void, dear heart. It is, in truth, a sacred chamber where profound, unseen shifts are taking place, orchestrated by forces far beyond our immediate perception. The angels whisper with gentle assurance that this silence is not a sign of abandonment, but rather a deep, resonant hum of divine preparation. It is the universe itself meticulously arranging every intricate detail, aligning hearts and circumstances with exquisite precision, weaving threads of fate into a stronger, more resilient, and ultimately more beautiful pattern. You might perceive it as a pause, a moment of waiting, but in the spiritual realm, it is a period of intense, necessary growth, a sacred chrysalis for the magnificent transformation that is soon to unfold. This stillness is actively working on him, softening the hardened edges of his past, dissolving old fears, and preparing his spirit to fully receive the depth of connection you offer. It is a vital time for both of you to shed what no longer serves, to heal in ways you didn't know were needed, creating space for new beginnings. The angels assure you, this quiet is a powerful testament to the magnitude of what is being built, a foundation being laid with cosmic intention. It is not an ending but a profound, unfolding beginning, manifesting in its perfect divine rhythm. Trust the quiet. It holds more profound answers and deeper promises than any hurried word could ever convey, a silent symphony of destiny. Beneath his outward demeanor, behind guarded expressions, lies a complex landscape of past experiences, some tender, some deeply scarred. He carries burdens that remain unseen, echoes of old hurts that have shaped his path and perception of love. The angels reveal a tender truth: your presence, your very essence, acts as a gentle, soothing balm to these hidden wounds, reaching into places he may have long forgotten. You didn't try to heal him, you simply existed in your authentic light. In that pure radiance, a forgotten, vulnerable part of him began to stir, to hope, to remember what wholeness feels like. Your inherent empathy and unwavering spirit reach into those quiet, shadowed corners of his soul where fear and doubt often reside, offering silent comfort. This isn't about fixing him, it's about your authentic self creating an unconditionally safe space, a sanctuary where his own healing can finally unfold naturally. He may not articulate it, but your energy and understanding serve as a silent, powerful invitation for his heart to soften, to dismantle its protective walls, and to remember what it truly means to trust again. The angels say you are a living prayer, a testament to unconditional love. This sacred energy is slowly, profoundly transforming his inner world, preparing him for a deeper connection. Your love is not a demand. It is a gentle, life-giving rain on parched earth, bringing forth new growth where there was once only arid longing. It is a quiet miracle, unfolding with every beat of your compassionate heart. There are connections that transcend time and space, echoes of souls recognizing each other across lifetimes. Your light, dear one, is not just a fleeting flicker. It is a radiant, undeniable beacon that pierced through his forgetfulness, through the noise of the world, and straight into his core. He may have walked through life feeling a subtle incompleteness, a deep yearning for something he couldn't quite name. Then, in a moment orchestrated by destiny, you appeared. The angels confirmed that your arrival was not accidental, but a profound awakening for him, a moment when a deep, ancient truth stirred within his core, a recognition that resonated throughout his entire being. He remembers you, not just with his mind, but with the deepest, most primal part of his soul, a soul-level recognition that defies all earthly logic. This isn't about superficial attraction, it's about destiny unfolding, a sacred contract being honored, a promise kept across the ages. Your unique essence resonates with a forgotten part of his own, completing a melody he didn't realize was missing from his life's symphony. The angels whisper that this profound recognition is a powerful magnetic force, drawing him irrevocably towards a future he instinctively knows, deep within his spirit, includes you. You didn't have to strive. Your authentic self, your pure light, was the sole catalyst, unlocking a memory of belonging and wholeness he never truly lost. This is the magic of souls reuniting, guided by the divine hand. Sometimes, the greatest struggles are fought within the quiet, tumultuous confines of one's own heart and spirit. What you perceive as hesitation, distance, or withdrawal in him is often, in truth, a fierce internal battle, waged not against you, but for the man he needs to become to truly meet you in this sacred love. The angels reveal he is wrestling with deeply ingrained old patterns, the pervasive grip of past fears, and the heavy weight of societal expectations or personal disappointments. This isn't a rejection of your profound love, it's a deep primal urge within him to rise to the occasion, to shed past limitations, and to be truly worthy of the transformative connection you represent. He is confronting his shadows, dismantling protective walls built over the years, and preparing his spirit, mind, and heart for a love that demands his truest, most authentic and vulnerable self. This process is arduous, solitary, and challenging, but it is driven by the undeniable magnetic pull of your shared destiny, a force he cannot ignore. The angels are actively working on his heart, guiding him through this crucible of transformation. Hold space for his journey with compassion. Understand that his struggle is a powerful testament to his awareness, a silent promise that he is diligently clearing the path for your sacred union. His fight is ultimately for a future where he can fully embrace the extraordinary gift of you, without reservation or fear. In the grand tapestry of existence, my dear, time is not linear. It is a sacred living rhythm, meticulously orchestrated by unseen hands. What your human heart perceives as agonizing delay, the angels reveal as divine timing, a perfect cosmic calibration of events designed specifically for your highest good and the ultimate flourish of your destiny. Every moment of waiting, every detour, and every quiet interlude serves a profound purpose in this magnificent cosmic dance. It is a period of refinement, deep inner growth, and subtle yet powerful adjustments that ensure the foundation of your future and of this sacred connection is unshakable. The universe is not withholding. It is actively preparing, polishing, and perfecting every intricate detail, ensuring that when the moment comes, it is absolutely flawless. This sacred rhythm allows for all necessary lessons to be learned, all old energies to be released, and all paths to converge with effortless grace. The angels whisper that rushing this profound process would diminish the masterpiece being created. Trust the unfolding. Trust that every beat of this divine rhythm is bringing you closer to the complete fulfillment of your deepest desires. Surrender to the flow, knowing the universe holds your unique love story in its tender, capable hands. The perfect moment is not about speed, but about profound, harmonious alignment, a dance of souls guided by the stars. Before any earthly connection, before any human validation, your inherent worth was irrevocably sealed in the boundless, unconditional heart of the divine. You are a queen, dear one, chosen, cherished, and loved deeply, not for what you do, but for simply being. This fundamental truth does not depend on external circumstances, the actions or opinions of others, or any fleeting earthly achievement. It is an immutable, eternal part of your spiritual essence, woven into the very fabric of your soul. The angels remind you that your true power, your undeniable radiance, stems directly from this deep, inner knowing. You do not need to shrink yourself, to dim your magnificent light, or to chase after what is already rightfully yours by divine decree. Your journey is one of remembering this inherent majesty, of reclaiming the crown that has always rested upon your head, even when you forgot it was there. When you stand firmly and authentically in the full truth of your divine worth, you effortlessly magnetize to you what is truly aligned with your highest good and your soul's deepest purpose. This isn't arrogance, it's sacred self-reverence, a profound honoring of the divine spark within. The angels whisper that your self-love, your unwavering belief in your own sacred value, is the most potent prayer you can offer, the most powerful affirmation of the extraordinary love you inherently deserve. Let your inner queen rise, knowing her radiant essence alone is more than enough to command respect, devotion, and a love that mirrors her own magnificent divine essence, reflecting the heavens back to you. The universe, dear heart, is not a silent, indifferent observer. It is a vibrant symphony of signs, a constant, loving conversation with your soul, guiding you gently towards your highest destiny. The path ahead is not cloaked in impenetrable mystery. It is continuously illuminated by subtle whispers, profound synchronicities, and undeniable intuitive nudges that speak directly to your spirit. The angels are actively communicating with you, placing sacred clues along your way, confirming your direction and reassuring you of your chosen path. Pay close attention to recurring numbers, unexpected songs, words that jump out from a page, and the sudden knowing in your gut that goes beyond logic. These are not mere coincidences. They are divine breadcrumbs, carefully laid out to lead you home, guiding you towards the fulfillment of your heart's deepest desires. Trust your inner compass, that quiet, unwavering voice that knows the way even when your mind is filled with uncertainty. This profound guidance is always present, always available, an inexhaustible stream of support and wisdom flowing from the unseen realms directly to you. The angels urge you to sharpen your spiritual senses, to listen with your heart, and to courageously follow these sacred whispers, for they are powerful affirmations that you are never alone, that every single step you take is divinely orchestrated, and that your journey is unfolding exactly as it should, in perfect harmony with the cosmic plan. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. A love of this profound magnitude, a connection forged in the divine, asks for nothing less than your most authentic, vulnerable, and radiant self. It is a sacred fire that purifies, burning away the masks you may have worn, dissolving old stories, and releasing limiting beliefs. This journey, dear one, is a profound metamorphosis, a shedding of old skin to reveal the magnificent, radiant being you were always meant to be, unburdened and free. The angels reveal that this love is not about fitting into a mold. It is about expanding into your fullest potential, inspiring him to embark on his own parallel journey of growth. It demands unwavering vulnerability, immense courage, and an unshakable commitment to continuous spiritual and emotional evolution. You will be asked to confront your own shadows, to lovingly embrace your imperfections, and to stand firmly in your power with grace and unwavering self-acceptance. This transformation is not always comfortable, often challenging, but profoundly necessary for the union to flourish in its purest, most elevated form. The angels celebrate your courage and your willingness to evolve, knowing that this sacred process is forging a bond that is unbreakable, resilient, and eternally expanding. Embrace the beautiful, sometimes challenging, yet ultimately liberating journey of becoming, for it is leading you to a love that mirrors the divine within you. There comes a pivotal moment in every sacred journey, dear heart, when the greatest act of power is not to strive, but to surrender. It's about releasing the tight grip of expectation, letting go of the how and the when, and simply trusting the magnificent intelligence of the universe. This profound surrender is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it is an act of immense spiritual strength, a declaration of faith that reflects your unwavering belief in the divine plan unfolding specifically for you. Your promise, dear one, whispered in your heart and etched into your soul, is not hanging in the balance. It is already irrevocably sealed in the cosmic archives, awaiting its perfect, harmonious manifestation. The angels confirm that all intricate pieces are moving into their destined places, all unseen forces aligning with precision, and your heart's deepest longing is being meticulously prepared for its grand arrival. Rest deeply in this profound knowing. Breathe in the peace that comes from absolute trust, from the certainty that you are held and guided. Your sacred work now is to stay open, receptive, and vibrantly aligned with the high vibration of love, gratitude, and unwavering faith. The universe has heard your prayers, seen your tears, and honored your unyielding spirit through every trial. The angels are now adding the final exquisite touches to your miracle, preparing it for your embrace. Receive it with an open heart and a grateful soul. It is yours, a divine inheritance. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41 verse 10.